As some of you know, I was up on the mountain there with Alan, and I had another knee flare-up. I wasn't feeling very good when I left. I probably shouldn't have gone anyway, but well, we'd already made plans, so I went up there, stayed as long as I could. Alan talked me into coming back down, going to the doctor. I'm going to have to do something about it. It's got to where it's happening way too often, so anyway, I was able to get a doctor's appointment the next day after I got home, and he took one look at it and he said, "That's not arthritis." So he didn't say what it was. He said, "I still have to go to the orthopedic surgeon." I think that's how you say it, bone doctor. And I'm supposed to tell him he's got to do something about it this time. He doesn't think that physical therapy is going to help it any. It's not something that needs to be worked like that. It's good. He said he thought I might make it worse if I try to do too much with it. So I think it's doing some damage, according to what he was saying. It looks like it might be doing some damage to the bones and stuff in there. So anyway, I can't get that done until the 27th. That's as soon as I can get in. There's an appointment earlier. I think it was like 4 days earlier, but I'd have to go clear to Phoenix to do it. So that's another 80 miles, and I'm just not into driving that far in this heat. And speaking of heat, boy, it's been hot. It's been a few degrees hotter this year than it was last. No rain in the forecast either, so hoping that it'll be a nice wet monsoon this year. That'd be good. Right now everything's closed up there up on the mountain. There's a few places that are still open where I go, but it's stage 2, no fires, and it's hot. From what I could tell, the Coconina Forest is mostly open. I don't go up there. I don't particularly care to go there. It's a personal history that I don't care for. Not going to get into that. What else? The knee feels really good. The doctor gave me some steroids. Within 24 hours, it was almost 100% full motion and no pain. Why couldn't the other doctors do that instead of watching me hobble around all the time and saying there's nothing they can do? So I'm a little bit irritated over that. So we're going to have to write him a nice little letter and complain to the insurance company about it. They're always wanting me to do a review. Was I satisfied with my visit there and all that? What do you think? Should I do it? Well, I don't know. I guess I don't know. I should do it. I guess complain about it. But anyway. Anyway, the PC doctor, the primary care doctor said that the orthopedic surgeon might want to put a scope in there and look around, see what's going on with it. That's fine with me as long as he puts me to sleep. I don't like people messing around inside looking with cameras. I don't guess anybody does. So I'm just kind of skipping around because I wasn't focused on making a video today, but it was getting late and I needed to get one done. I promised Nana and a couple other people that I would at least try to keep up, so that's what I'm doing. It's been a week or more, I guess. So what else? I watched a video the other day by a person that kind of watched him. I'm not going to mention any names, but first thing out of his mouth, he said, "Arizona's on fire." Arizona's not on fire. In fact, there's not as many fires this year at this time than there was last year. People have been pretty good up there this year, I guess, with being careful and all that. So I mean, you can see that it's really dry, and I just got to be careful. We don't need any more big Arizona fires like we've had in the past. What else? I'm trying to you know, I'm trying to stay out of there pretty much. I don't want to go back up there. You know, I got time. I could go up there and still get back here in time for the orthopedic surgeon, but I'm not going to go up there. I'm just going to hang out here at the house and relax. Keep the leg up, keep it iced and all that kind of stuff, you know. Try to take care of it. But I've resolved to the fact that, is that how you say it? I'm going to take care of it this time. I'm tired of messing with it. So we're just going to go ahead and no matter what it takes, I'm going to get it done. So even if I need to go get a new knee. I was kidding with my doctor. I said, can I go to Walmart and buy one of those? I probably should have said that word, Walmart. If I need a new knee, can I go buy one? You know. Of course you can't. So I think that's just about it. Sorry about the air conditioning noise. It's hot, man. Lily's doing fine. She's was happy to get back. She doesn't like being in the camper much. You know, just going for a few days and then coming back, and then going out a few days and then coming back. After a while, she gets used to it in a camper, and it doesn't bother her much. But in and out, it kind of bothers her. So she was happy to get back. She recognized the place. They say cats, you know, they don't remember, but she does. First place she goes, sits on something cool. Usually on top of the safe, she'll get up there. So, yeah, I think that's about it. I can't think of much else to say. I'll try to do another one in a few days. You know, not much going on. If there's any news, I'll get one out as soon as I get it. So, that's it. I'll see you soon. Bye.